Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new, then welcome to this channel. Well, I'm back with one more interesting video, and in this video we are going to talk about what is programming and why do we use that. Like when I'm a beginner, when it comes to me, I don't even know what exactly is programming. I don't even know how to switch on a computer and how to run things over there, and I'm so scared of computers when I'm a beginner. Maybe because of the magic that is creating in this real world by solving many complex problems. Maybe because of that, I was so inspired by this programming and I started learning it, and I started teaching people about programming and how do we use that and how to work with that. So now let us understand what is programming. To understand programming, let me give you one interesting example. Now let's just imagine that you went out to buy some groceries and you forgot your wallet at home. What you will do at that time? At that time, you'll be calling someone from your home, like your mom or your brother or something, and you'll be asking them to get your wallet to pay the bill, right? So what you will do is you will guide them, you will instruct them where your wallet exactly is, right? Sometimes they don't even get you. So you have to tell them each and every step to understand where the wallet is. I know this example is really a metaphor to understand programming, but trust me, you will understand what is programming by this thing. The way you guide the person to get that wallet is nothing but you're just guiding that person, right, to do a particular task. In the same way, you will guide the computer to complete a particular task for you. And this guidance, guiding the computer, is nothing but programming. How do you guide the computer? By giving some set of instructions. And this set of instructions that we write to guide the computer to complete a particular task is nothing but programming. It is pretty simple. You're just guiding the computer because computer is so dummy. It don't understand what's going on. What you will just say, it will just follow it. We'll be thinking that computer is so smart. It's not the computers. It's the humans who are making the computers smart. I hope you understand what is programming. We're just giving some set of instructions to the computer so that it can complete a particular task. Like for example, you want computer to do some mathematical calculations. What you will do, you will give some set of instructions in the form of code, program, and then you will ask computer to do for it. You will give some input, you will give some instructions, and then you will be waiting for some output. This entire process is called programming. So using programming, you can do many things in this world. It is already changing everything. It is there in your computers, it is there in your phones, it is there everywhere. Like this programming is making every device smarter than you think, right? So using programming, you can build applications like mobile applications, websites, GUI applications, and you can also work with artificial intelligence, data science, and many more. So programming is not only a set of instructions. For a beginner, programming is like a basic skill that a person must have to become a software developer or to become a web developer or something. It is a basic thing, and it is the strong foundation, strong base to the people, to the beginners, to learn something new that evolves this world or something like that. I hope you guys understand. With programming, you can become a data scientist, and yeah, programming is just a basic thing. But you are going to become a pro. When you are a pro, you'll be having some name. You'll be a software developer, you'll be a web developer, or you'll be a game developer or something. So yeah, this is all about programming. It is a set of instructions that you give computer to complete a particular task. Not only that, it is a basic skill and a strong foundation to the beginners. What I'll tell is start programming. I know it's a difficult task, but yeah, keep going with it. Keep learning, because from each and every mistake, you'll be learning something new. So yeah, in the next video, I'll be talking about how to start programming. I hope you like this video, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you'll never miss any updates from me. See you in the next video.